So this US oil analysis for Thursday, 13th of September. Now let's just have a look at them prices and we price them in like we go. So previously we've had this pullback consolidation around the 67.73. So pretty strong bullish buy side momentum take us through this 68.19, taking us all the way up towards our 69.51. Pull back towards the 69.51, tested it, held the support, saw this sharp acceleration here to the upside beyond the 70.79 through 71. Didn't quite get towards that 71.50. And what we did instead see was after trading through 70.79, we've had an immediate pullback, retested the 70.79, did hold as resistance, and we've seen this momentum follow through to the downside here, taking us all the way through the 69.51 where we are at present. So again, we'll see our price react towards that 200 period moving average, sitting at that $69 a barrel mark. If we are successful in navigating the 200 period moving average, the very next horizontal level of note is of course at 68.19. Successful break from which we're looking for price to head down towards this area of consolidation around 67.73, and if there is that strong volatility to the downside to reverse this entire move here to the upside. If we do see a complete reversal, we are then looking for price to test our previous lows where we previously found support in around that 67.12 here on the US oil. If however we do see a bullish bounce and we can from this 200 period moving average with the confluence of the 400 period average sitting pretty close by, or if we do find major support at 68.90 and we do break and hold above 69.51, we're then looking for price head up towards our 70.79. There is a possibility of encountering resistance at a test of that 69.51, but if we can break and hold that 69.51, we're then looking for price to retest 70.79. Successful break from which we then targeting that 71.50, and beyond that to the upside if we do see a pretty strong bullish volatility here on the market, we're then looking to price it up towards that 72.39 here on the US oil. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing on the US oil, and we get together on here correct. So on this US oil, we had this recovery to the upside, pretty sharp pullback, found support around 67.12, had a pretty strong bullish day and closed near its highs. We did see that momentum follow through to the upside, taking us beyond 70.79. Now we did have a quite sizable wick posted, did close the day bullish and nonetheless, but so far today we've seen that sell side momentum which afflicted yesterday's close. We have seen that momentum follow through to the downside, taking us below 69.51. So we'll see whether we can break back above 69.51 and see this continued recovery to the upside here, or if we do see that continued sell side momentum, we'll see whether we will retest our previous low before this initial move here started. Now from a daily chart perspective, we do have a lows, higher lows, so we'll see if prices do come down and invalidate this previous higher low that was posted in around that 67. It was around that 67, I'll probably say around that 6750 or so. I'll just have a check. Yes, that's 6750. So we'll see if we do invalidate that higher low in around 6750, or if we do post another lower, let's word that a bit different. So we do have this higher low here. Now we'll see if we do trade below 6750 and somewhat invalidate this higher low, or whether we do post a higher low relative to that previous low in around 6750 and see the continuation here to the upside for another test of 70.79, possibly move up towards that 72.88 or that 73.16. Now in around 72.88 and that 73.16, there remains possibility of finding resistance at that level, and if that is the case, there remains a possibility of putting in a bit of a head and shoulders pattern here on the US oil, which is a bearish chart pattern which could potentially see us head return towards that 64.75 on the US oil. But a lot of machinations are required for us to get all the way down there, so we'll see if this follow through does take us down towards our 6750 and invalidate the level, or if we will do see is continued recovery to the upside, possibly to an area where we previously encountered resistance in around 72.88 or that 73.16 here on the US oil. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.